is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. So today I just came back from the city, right? Had a phenomenal day. I went to the Museum of Ice Cream in San Francisco. I had a blast, right, with my best friend. I had an amazing lunch, right, at a really famous restaurant in San Francisco, and just had an amazing time overall, right? And while I was out and about having an amazing time in the city, I was still able to make over $1,000 on complete autopilot just by using my smartphone. Okay, so I'm going to show you proof in a minute of how much I'm able to generate even while I'm out and about having an amazing time living my life, you know, just living new experiences. And that's what life should be all about at the end of the day, right? That you are actually creating amazing experience with yourself, for yourself, and for the people that you love, right, and that you mostly care about. And so how can you start positioning yourself starting today to start earning a daily income, right? How can you position yourself starting today to get paid on a daily basis? And so I'm going to show you right now what I'm doing here, right? What I'm doing here. I'm doing internet marketing. And so this is like the direct sales opportunity where you can position yourself to earn 100% commissions, right? You get paid instantly on a daily basis, right? When you have a 9-to-5 job, you have to wait every 2 weeks. I know people that are living from paycheck to paycheck, right? I know people that, you know, they get paid on a Friday and they're super excited. And then like 2 days into the week, they're pretty much left with like $50, $100 in their bank account. And they say, well, I'm gonna have to wait another 2 weeks till I get paid, which is crazy. How about you start, right, changing your life by positioning yourself to start becoming your own boss, to start becoming your own CEO? How about you start investing in your education and yourself, right, to actually start creating a successful financial future for you? And so, again, what I'm doing here is a direct sales business opportunity where we teach you, right? You get access to my digital marketing training course where I teach you how you can pretty much use social media to grow your brand, to use social media to grow your business, okay? And so there are thousands of people every single day looking for different ways on how to make money online, okay? There's people every single day going on Google, going on YouTube, going elsewhere, looking for different ways to find legitimate different ways on how to make money online. And so I teach you how to get in front of those people, right? I teach you how to get in front of those people that are ready to start their own online business opportunity. And so we have the step-by-step training to show you every single step of the way. If you want to get the full details, go visit my website. Go to www.richmindsets.com. Get started with my team today. Follow me on Snapchat, right? I'm a real person. I love to motivate, inspire, challenge people every single day. But I'm going to show you right now, okay? I'm going to show you right now. You can actually see right there that it's loading, okay? It's loading. You can see there, Adriana Villegas. And you can see, as you can see right there, it's showing 1,155. And the date is right there, right? You can see today, it is Wednesday, April 11th. And so that's what it's all about. I'm actually gonna go ahead and exit right now and show you again, right? I'm actually clicking on my merchant application. You can see right there that it's loading and it's showing 1,155, okay? That's how much I've been able to earn on complete autopilot today. Well, I've been out and about. How crazy is that? Okay? Anybody can do this. I'm a college dropout. Okay? I'm a college dropout. Guys, there are thousands of people making multiple six figures online every single year with affiliate marketing, with internet marketing. You can change your life starting today. If you are coachable, if you are willing to go through the process and get my step-by-step training and actually follow it to the T, there's no way that you cannot create some sort of results, okay? And so you can see all these testimonials here. My team members are winning. It's not just me winning, but my team members are winning as well. They're changing their lives on a daily basis. You can pause this video and actually read the testimonials of my team members, you know, making money on a daily basis, right? Changing their lives on a daily basis, all by taking control of their lives, all by taking control and taking action. That's the most important thing of all, right? You can wish everything in the world. You can have the biggest desire in the world. But if you don't take action, I mean, why does it matter, right? It's all about believing, but taking action. Faith without works is dead. That's what it is. And so take action today. Go ahead and go to www.richmindsets.com. Other than that, I will see you at the top.